Got £5 or $5 and want to try turning it into something big? Let's be real. It's not investing, it's straight up gambling. But if you're okay with the risk, here are some high-risk, high-reward plays that could make you rich or broke in minutes. Let's go. First up, meme coins. With $5, you can buy millions of tokens in coins like Pepe, WIF, or whatever's trending on Solana or Base. These have made people thousands from literal pocket change, but 99% go to zero. You're basically hoping the internet loses its mind. Buy early, sell on the hype, don't get greedy. Next, airdrops and pre-sales. Airdrops give you free crypto for doing simple tasks. Some people got $1,000 just for using a testnet. You might use your $5 just to pay gas fees. Pre-sales? You buy a token before it launches, hoping it moons. Some 10x overnight, some rug the same day. Want to really roll the dice? Try a YOLO bet. Put your £5 on a crazy sports bet or prediction market. Underdog wins, multi-leg parlays, that kind of thing. This is pure gambling, not a financial strategy, but hey, sometimes it hits. What about flipping NFTs? Still possible. Some free mints on Solana or Base flip for $20, $100 or more if they go viral. But most go straight to zero. You need luck and timing. Let's be honest, you're not building generational wealth with £5 unless you hit the lottery, but it can be a fun way to learn, experiment, and ride a trend. If you do flip it into £100 or £500, then it gets interesting. Leverage trading, options, flipping micro startups, now you've got tools to scale fast, if you play it smart. High risk, high reward, high chance you lose it all, but if you're gonna try, at least do it smart. Drop a comment if you want weekly degen plays, airdrop alerts, or pre-sale gems. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. You don't want to miss the next one.